the bells. I hear the bells. Lakeland, Florida. Home of Publix supermarkets, where shopping is a pleasure, so they say. Evening time here, Florida. We are not trespassing. Train station is up there. Got a train coming. But until it gets here, can y'all see the fountain and the lake and everything over there? Maybe not. I do have some detailed videos of Lakeland, Florida here on my channel. I wore my nice shoes out here, and it's been raining. Oh well. Under the bridge. Amtrak going on the far track. Hey, birdie. This is a no horn town, so you're not gonna hear horns in this town. But that was Amtrak. I actually called Amtrak twice today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you.